Have you ever seen an animal that plays like a puppy, swims like a fish, and helps protect entire river systems? Meet the otter. Otters are small, furry mammals that live in and around rivers, lakes, and coastlines. They are known for their playful behavior, their intelligence, and their big role in keeping nature in balance. But what makes otters truly special? Let's take a closer look. Otters are part of the weasel family, but they live a very different lifestyle. They spend most of their time in the water, hunting, swimming, playing, and raising their families. Their bodies are built for this life. They have webbed feet, strong tails, and sleek fur that keeps them warm even in icy rivers. They can close their ears and noses when diving. And they can hold their breath underwater for up to 8 minutes. That's right, 8 full minutes. Otters are excellent swimmers. They twist and turn with ease, using their tails like rudders and their feet like paddles. They can swim fast, dive deep, and sneak up on their prey. But they're not just great athletes. They are also brilliant problem solvers. Some otters use tools. They pick up rocks and use them to break open shells, like clams or sea urchins. They even have favorite rocks, which they sometimes carry with them under their arms. Otters mainly eat fish, but they also enjoy frogs, insects, small crustaceans, and even birds. They have sharp teeth and strong jaws that make them perfect predators in freshwater ecosystems. Now you might think of play as something only pets or kids do, but for otters, play is serious business. Young otters play to practice swimming, diving, and hunting. They chase each other through the water, slide down muddy hills, and wrestle on the riverbank. These games help them learn how to survive. But even adult otters play. Why? Because play strengthens social bonds. Otters live in family groups, and staying close as a group is important. They groom each other, cuddle while sleeping, and use many sounds to talk to one another. Chirps, whistles, squeaks, and growls. Otters are very vocal animals. Some otters even hold hands while sleeping in the water to stay together and not drift apart. That's adorable, right? But otters are not just cute. They're important. They are what scientists call a keystone species. This means they play a key role in their environment. When otters are healthy and present, the whole river ecosystem stays balanced. They control fish and crustacean populations. They help prevent overgrowth of certain species. And because they are sensitive to pollution and habitat changes, their presence tells us if a river is healthy. So if you see otters in a river, that's a very good sign. But sadly, in many places, otters are disappearing. Why? The biggest reason is habitat loss. Rivers are being dammed, drained, and polluted. Forests are cut down. Wetlands are filled in for farms and cities. This destroys the places where otters live, hunt, and raise their young. Water pollution is another huge problem. Toxic chemicals from farms and factories flow into rivers and poison the fish that otters eat. Plastic waste clogs their homes and can even harm or trap them. Climate change is also making things harder. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns affect water levels, fish availability, and the safety of otter dens. In some regions, otters are hunted illegally for their soft, waterproof fur. They get caught in fishing nets. They are even hit by cars when trying to cross roads near rivers. It's not easy being a river guardian, but there's hope. In many countries, otters are now protected by law. Conservationists are working to restore wetlands and clean up rivers. Environmental education is helping people understand the importance of healthy rivers and the role of otters. You can help too. Support organizations that protect river habitats. Reduce your use of single-use plastics. Make sure your household waste and chemicals are disposed of safely. Conserve water in your daily life. Even small actions add up. If you live near rivers or lakes, keep an eye out. Maybe one day you'll spot an otter family swimming or playing. And if you do, know that you're witnessing something rare and precious. Otters teach us that joy, curiosity, and connection are powerful forces in nature. They remind us that life in the wild is full of movement, learning, and family. They show us how important it is to protect the places where life thrives. So the next time you pass by a river, take a moment. Look around, listen, and remember the otters. They are playful, clever, and strong. They are guardians of the rivers, and they need us, just like we need them.